PerkinElmer offers the first no-wash homogeneous reagents for measuring purified histone, peptide, and protein modifications by epigenetic enzymes. Trust the leader in biochemical screening assay technologies to enable you to locate effectors for writers and erasers of the histone code, detect specific methylation and acetylation states, and quantitate activity on purified peptide or full-length histone substrates. PerkinElmer epigenetics assays are available in two homogeneous formats: Lance Ultra detection assays for peptide modifications, and Alpha Lysa detection assays for both peptide or full-length protein modifications. Let your science determine your screening strategy. All detection reagents are tested for mark specificity and cross-reactivity. Alpha Lysa antihistone H3 lysine 9-dimethyl antibody acceptor beads recognize specifically the H3 lysine 9-dimethyl biotinylated peptide. H3K9 mono and trimethylated peptides, methylated H3K4 peptides, and unmodified H3 peptides are not specifically recognized. Our detection assays are designed for optimal performance with PerkinElmer microplates and multi-label plate readers like Envision and Inspire Alpha. These technologies are part of PerkinElmer's comprehensive solution for understanding cellular signaling and morphology in context. For more information, please visit www.perkinelmer.com/epigenetics.